Hey friends, and I am Safir, and today in this video we will learn how to multiply decimals. So let's start. So the first thing we need to do is keep in mind of how much decimals are there. Second, we take away the decimals. And third, we just simply multiply. And fourth, we just put back the decimals. So let me show you. So our first example, 2.48 times 6. So let's use our little method here that we've created. So first, keep in mind how much decimals are there. We see that there are like decimal places. Decimals like places. So like we see here that we have only one number with a decimal, which is this number at the top, and we see how much decimal places are there. We see that there are 2 decimal places, so we keep in mind 2, and then we can take it away. So 248 times 6. We just simply multiply 6 into 8, 48, 8, 4 on top, 6 times 4, 24, plus 4, 8, 2 on top, 6 into 2, 12, and then plus 2, 14. So 1488. And as we seen that there are 2 decimal places, so we will just add them back in. So once, twice, a decimal place would go here. So our answer would be 14.88. So let's do another one. So next one, 3.8 times 7. So first, what we do is we see what numbers have decimal places. Only the top one has a decimal place, and there has only 1 decimal places there. So we remember 1 decimal place, and we will just take it out. So it's 38 times 7. So 8 times 7, 8, 16, 40. Okay, so 7 times 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 59, 67, 56, sorry. So 6, and then 5, and then 7 times 3, 21, plus 5, 26. And then, as we know, there are 1 decimal place that we took out, so we put 1 decimal place back in. So once, it would go here. So our answer is 26.6. Let's try it with a few more. So now let's say, what if both of our numbers have decimal places? We would say here that first we see that 2 of our numbers have decimal places, decimals. So we would check how much decimal places they have. So the first number has 2, and the second number has 1. So we'd add them together, 2 plus 1, 3. So they have 3 decimal places in total. And we'll just take these ones off. So 4,321 times 72. So we would do this 2 times 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 2, 6, 4 into 2, 8. Next one, 0, 7, 7 into 2, 14. 1 goes on top, 7 times 3, 21, plus 1, 22, 2, and then 2 here, 7, 14, 21, 28, and then plus 2, 30, and then add 2, 1, 1 on top, 1, 1, 1. And then we would just simply add our decimal places that we took out. So once, twice, thrice. So our answer would be 311.112. Let's try it with one more example. So 18.61 times 0.0071. So now let's multiply. We know that 2 of our numbers have decimal places, and the first one has 2 and the second one has 4. 2 plus 4, 6. So they have 6 decimal places in total. So now we can take them out, and then we will just simply multiply. So 71, 1, 6, 8, 1, 0, 2, 4 up top, 56, 0, 6, 13, and then we would add them together. 1, 6 plus 6, 12, plus 7, and one more, 13, 1 on top, 1 on top, 2, 3, 13, 2, 1, 13,000, 1. Okay, let's just leave it. So that is our answer there, and we will just simply add back the 6 decimal places that we took. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer would be 0.132131. And so let's recap of what we have learned. So we have learned that when we multiply decimals, we keep in mind of how much decimal places are there and how much numbers have decimal places. We take away the decimals, we just simply multiply, and then we put back the decimal places. So as we can see here, there's a decimal place here. We took away 6 decimal places, we multiplied, and then we just simply put back the decimal places. And so that's it for today, friends, and bye, and I'll see you next time.